Flavor Fam, today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious vegan fish and chips. Now who said vegans miss out? So let's get into it. First of all, with this batter I'm going to add 1 cup of all-purpose plain flour, a teaspoon of black pepper, salt and turmeric, and a tablespoon of corn flour and all-purpose seasoning. Now I'm going to give this a mix, and I'm going to gradually mix in my oat milk until I've got this pancake-like consistency. Because nobody wants a lumpy batter. So see you when it's done. Now this is done, with my ready soaked hearts of palm that I soaked overnight in seaweed, I'm going to coat it in my batter. And I'm going to fry them down. Wow. And now, this is the best part about cooking because I get my hands dirty. And just remember, you cook it on each side for about 2 to 4 minutes, depending on how thick your batter is, until they're golden brown. This smells delicious. But don't worry, Flavor Fam, it's almost time for plating. But I know you guys' belly is rumbling just from looking at it, so see you when it's done. Now that is how you make a delicious vegan fish and chips. But now it's time to tuck in. No, Flavor Fam, look at that. Doesn't it look delicious? So thank you for watching, hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.